I would like to have 1 minute to introduce my country. How is my country? It's land of China in the north and next to India. Average length 885 km east, west, and average with 193 km north, south. Rich in cultural heritage and natural heritage. It's beautiful. And that beautiful heritage that the bird attracts at the airport. We have 3 ecological regions: high, middle, and low. From 60 meters sea level up to the highest peak of the world, 8,848 meters, Mount Everest. Okay, let me introduce Tribhuvan International Airport, TIA. Ladies and gentlemen, actually I am not going to present the scientific paper, neither a scientific paper nor any businesses. We are sharing the experience, what we have been doing Tribhuvan International Airport Kathmandu since 1996 in the field of environmental management and awareness raise campaign at and around the Tribhuvan International Airport at Kathmandu. Okay. Tribhuvan International Airport TIA was a grassland used as the first landing strip in Nepal in 1949 and situated 85° east longitude and 27 north latitude, and declared International Airport in 1964. Bird strike was pronounced prolonged while landfill site was started within 3 km near from Tribhuvan International Airport. And first bird strike incident took place in 1996. Bird strike event fatality recorded in September 2012. Perhaps you might have heard that Sita Boeing 601 was crashed within the 0.5 km from the airport runway in 2012. Bird activities at TIA increased extremely during 2000. In a single month, from August 22 October 21st, in a single month there were 6 strikes at that time, and even still its prevalence, but not on that way. Bird activities at TIA increased extremely during 2000 and caused the 6 bird strike from August to October 2000. Bird strike recorded 74 at TIA. The major bird strike recorded 74, 174, 96 till now. Studies made on bird strike situation of TIA. Bird strike hazard associated with landfill site in the Kathmandu Valley and bird strike prevention recommendation 1995. 21 years ago. Solid waste management in Nepal report on fact-finding mission 1996. Study on bird strike risk at TIA Nepal 1998. Workshop on bird strike prevention and assessment of wildlife hazard management program TIA 2001. Regional workshop on airport wildlife hazard management program of TIA 2014. After 30 years, the next one. And 1 year baseline body study at TIA, Pokhara Airport and Bhairava Airport. TIA, the only one international airport in Nepal, and Pokhara Airport, that is proposed international airport, and Bhairava Airport, this is the second one proposed international airport. And these projects baseline body study at TIA Airport 2016. A proposal has been called from the Civil Aviation Authority of Nepal and will be conducted very soon, but not conducted at. Environment of Tribhuvan International Airport TIA. Open slaughterhouses in the market TIA and open dumping of garbage and rivers, close to GIA. There are rivers, two rivers within 0.5 and 1 kilometer from south north, and these are the most important attractions places from visiting the birds, and these rivers were polluted. These rivers were polluted 2 decades ago, and we have been conducting, actually our program was focused on those rivers was too much polluted, and after 2 decades restless campaigns from our side has been now improved, and I let you show after some slides. Attractions in Prince birds and other wildlife of TIA areas within 1 kilometer of airport on north side, area within 0.5 kilometer on the south. Use of organic fertilizers in field near Thapaliya airport causes the rising of insects, earthworms, which eventually attract birds. Bird species total 879 in Nepal. This is the recent data, and out of them 35 species that is available in Thapaliya airport, Kathmandu, and some kites, crows, eagles, and vultures are the most threatened birds at Thapaliya airport. You can see the picture, the environment, and the kites, the runway of Thapaliya airport, and the other wildlife hazard, that monkey, dog, cow, buffalo, rat, rodent, earthworms, cat, and the wildlife and airport runway at Thapaliya airport. Actually, these photographs are taken by the journalist and published in the Annapurna Post in Nepal, and I have copied this photograph from the newspaper. And wildlife at airport vicinity at TIA. And this is the map. I have copied this map from the presentation of Dr. Richard Dalville. Richard Dalville was been in Kathmandu, Nepal, in invitation of government of Nepal, associated tourism entrepreneurs, while the sixth strike was occurred continuously in a single month. At that time, Dalville was invited, and Dalville had conducted research, and he has made some recommendations for the to the Civil Aviation Authority of Nepal. And this map, we can see Bagmati River, very polluted, polluted Bagmati River, and our environmental campaign focus on that particular area because that is very nearest approach to airport and very vulnerable area for the bird attractions to the airport. So not only that map, I have copied and pasted some other photographs taken by Dalville in 2001, and I have some clips for recent 2005, recent, and 2001. That could help you to understand the situation of the airport, how it was in 2001, and how progressively to 2005, and after 2005, how it is in, at the present situation. Okay. These photographs were taken by Dalville and presented in the USA-Canada joint annual meeting, and these photographs are so pretty. That house, that open slaughterhouse, one is. And the pigeons, there is a temple the Hindu temple and pigeons. By legal, we have to preserve the pigeons. We're not allowed to kill the pigeons. That's one problem. I just would like to apologize. Just would like to explain you about the monkey. Monkey is also, by law, we can't kill the monkey. That is Hindu temple, and that's the, ambassador of the god. And so that's why these two things, birds, that pigeons and the monkeys are the great problem to the Nepal airport. So, Dr. Dolby had recommended, he had seven recommendations to the Civil Aviation Authority of Nepal. And Civil Aviation Authority of Nepal have been adopting all these seven recommendations, but program has been focused on garbage and waste control from the last two decades, and still from the 2001 program focused on the same, same thing. Because garbage and waste control, there was often dumping garbage nearby airport, and that was the prone area for the bird wildlife visiting the airports. So the program has been focused from last 2 decades, and from this year only, at that time in 2001, we had conducted bird study, and since then, from 1.5 decades, 15 years, we have not done any bird study at Civil Aviation Authority of Nepal. And this year, proposal has been called, and we are going to conduct the bird study in capital area. So these are the programs conducted by the civil. As I have already shown you on the first slide, that Civil Aviation Authority Nepal is the partner organization of civil capacity building international network, and poster leaflet distribution, informative posters like we distribute in the community. This is your airport, and this is for your safety, your family safety. Organic composting demonstration, randomly sampling in the few places are there in those area. Student mobilization and motivation.